Hey everybody, Brent Green. Just thought I'd give you a quick market update. It's March 18th, and the Federal Reserve just made a big move over the weekend, and I thought I'd enlighten everybody as to what's going on in the market. The Fed dropped rates to zero. That's the big news. That's the federal funds rate. That's the rate between banks. It's not mortgage rates or car rates or anything else. It is the federal funds rate. So the question I'm getting is, will mortgage rates go to zero? And the short answer is no, that's highly unlikely. Mortgages are different than treasuries. There's been some historical tracking between the two, but that's kind of all bets are off. So mortgages are in their own little world right now as far as how they're fluctuating and where those rates are. Rates are hit all-time lows probably 2 weeks ago. And since that, there was an influx of refinancing, a big demand, big influx of all these deals trying to get a better interest rate. That actually forced rates back higher. And so rates right now, they're in the high threes, thereabouts. On 30 years, on 15s, they're probably down towards 3%, 2.875. So there's a couple things going on. The market in general needed some help. It needed to function more fluidly, it needed more capital, it needed to not be broken. As we watched the stock market tank, treasuries tank, the Fed stepped in and provided some support. Lowering of rates is one thing, but they're also doing some quantitative easing where they're doing mortgage buying, treasury buying. They're a supporting buyer out there, giving the market some stability. So they're addressing these market issues, which will keep rates low and help with mortgage rates and car rates and everything else, and liquidity in the marketplace. But really in the mortgage market right now, in that industry, it's about capacity. With all these influxes of refinances, that's pushing rates higher just because banks have reached their capacity to process all those loans. Once the capacity issues start to resolve, rates will continue to come lower based on what the Fed is doing. They are promoting lower rates, and they will come lower as capacity resolves. So over time, we have an opportunity this next 3 to 6 months where rates are going to stay low, be low, and there will be an opportunity to really get in and get a good interest rate on a refi or a purchase. So time is your friend. We don't need to rush or do any kind of panic to get to a refinance. These rates are here to stay for the duration, I think, for the year at least. So with that, rates are probably not going to zero, but they're going to be darn good. Stay happy, stay healthy, stay safe. Thanks.